if you go out and look for her, hoping you'll find somebody so you can feel good, you will never get that woman. But as soon as you not care, you place your intention in the universe, but you don't care and you detach, that's when you'll get all that you say you want. That's how it works. You don't care, you get what you want. Because you don't need anything.